10 reasons why nurses trust use Zextrasure. Isa, certified by FDA at GMP, guaranteed quality at absolute safety. Zextrasure meets international standards, has been tested for safety, and is suitable for all subjects. Dalawa, fast pain relief, no need for painkillers. Nurses understand the dangers of painkillers. Zextrasure helps reduce inflammation, regenerate joint cartilage, and improve mobility without causing side effects. Tatlo, special formula helps strengthen bones.
Nanocalcium, glucosamine, chondroitin, collagen type 2, gold combination helps.
Reduce bone and joint pain. Supports joint cartilage regeneration. Increase bone flexibility. Apat, nanocalcium absorbs quickly, does not cause kidney stones. Calcium is often difficult to absorb, easily causing sedimentation. Nanocalcium helps strengthen bones without causing side effects. 5. Prevent osteoarthritis and osteoporosis. Nurses understand better than anyone. Don't wait until your bones are weak and degenerated before you worry about protection. Use early to maintain strong bones and healthy joints long term. 6. Eliminate pain after only 14 days of use. Many nurses responded. No back pain after long shifts. No more numbness in limbs. Reduce joint stiffness in the early morning. 7. Eat better and sleep better. Don't worry about excruciating pain. 8. Provides energy. Reduces fatigue at work. Colostrum ingredients and B vitamins help the body stay healthy and work better without weakness. 9. Easy to drink. Convenient, perfect breakfast replacement. Just 2 glasses a day. Both nutritional supplement and effective pain relief. 10. Trusted by thousands of nurses in the US. We believe in this product because we understand it really works.